Trading hour on CNBC TV18. Well, for now, the market is all over the place, really. It's down about 0.6%, but not out, you'd have to say. Kush Bohra of kushbohra.com joins in for a quick technical check. By the way, the PSU banks are on fire this afternoon. So there's a big move in UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, IOB, all of them up in double digits right now. Kush, before I ask you about the market, is there still some more steam here in names like UCO Bank and Bank of Maharashtra? What does the upside look like from a technical standpoint?
Hi, Sonia. First off, thank you for having me on the show. Just to answer that question, there is a lot of room left because let's remember these stocks are coming out of a multi-year slump, right? So the upside is quite huge if you talk about a catch-up play, even with the peers like SBI, Bank of Baroda, Can Bank. Even then, there's a lot of upside left. We are not even going to the private bank names. But that said, technically these have gone into the overheated territory. Both the names that you mentioned. So while I would look for buying opportunities in them, I'd wait for a certain dip for to come in, and that's when the entry levels will become more attractive. From a medium to long term perspective, these still look like a very good buy.
Kush, what about stocks?
Sure. A couple of stocks that I have on my radar are Forgings. Now this stock was in an uptrend but saw a bit of a slump. It's again resumed its uptrend. It made a very strong base at around 750 odd levels. Now if you look at the volume action and the price action, we are seeing a very effective follow through that's coming. And for the past couple of sessions, the stock is trading above its 200-day moving average and conquering new territories. So Forgings would be my first pick. 950 would be my target, and 850 would be the stop loss. The second pick is Kirloskar Oil. Similar story here, but 300, 310 was a zone which was like a multi-year resistance for this stock. Once it crossed that, it went to about 360 levels. Today, the kind of dip that we are seeing is actually a very good entry point because the stock is making its base to go much higher from here. Even levels of 400, 430 is something that I wouldn't rule out. But from a trading perspective, 390 is the first target that someone can buy for. 320 would be the stop loss.
All right, Kush. Thanks a lot for getting us your technical trades and all of those individual bets.